do you mean car count tips are for suckers? Well, let me say it again. Car count tips are for suckers. Hey, I'll explain it all, but buckle up because we're starting right now. Hey, Matthew here. Welcome back to Car Count Hackers. If you're an auto repair shop owner and want to grow your car count, income, and profits, go ahead and smash that subscriber button, ring the bell, and you'll be on your way. Around here, I just like to think of it this way. You fix the cars, I'll fix the car count. How's that? So now you're asking, what do I really mean? Well, let me answer that question by asking you a question. Do you remember the times, maybe you were a kid, maybe it was just last week, but trying to assemble a complete puzzle, and then you find out that your little brother stashes away one of the pieces, and no matter what you do, you're never going to have the entire picture. Well, auto repair shop marketing is a lot like building a puzzle. If you're missing one of the pieces, you'll never get the entire picture. Now, don't get me wrong, tips are great and they keep you sharp and keep you focused on doing an assortment of different things. But if you want the entire picture, you've got to do the entire program. Okay, stop me if you've heard this. You do a repair job, you call a customer, they come in to pick up the car, they like the work, they're satisfied with the price, they pay the bill, and just before they leave, you stop and say, hey, would you mind leaving us a review? And then what happens? Well, see if this sounds a little familiar. You wait, and you wait some more, and you go online and you check, and you wait some more, and, well, let's face it, nothing happens. That about right? Look, I talk to repair shop owners virtually every day. The most common question I get is, where do I start my marketing? Should it be Google AdWords? Should it be Facebook ads? Should it be Valpaks, postcards, pizza box ads? What about those advertising on the back of the cash register tapes? Is that a good place to start? Look, I get it. It's confusing, but it's not your fault. Then let's face it, I see the same videos you do. There's gurus out there that say, hey, you want more car count? Send them a kick butt offer. That's great. And you know what? It's right. Send them a kick butt offer. Anyone ever tell you what a kick butt offer really is? If you want to get the entire picture, you got to take my new training course, How to Double Your Car Count in 89 Days Without Wasting Your Hard-Earned Dollars on any of that money-sucking advertising. The entire training course is about 2 hours and 20 minutes of video, all divided up into 16 bite-sized chunks, and then delivered to you one chapter at a time every couple of days. Act now, you're going to get free unlimited access to the entire training course. And you're probably thinking there's got to be a catch. Well, I don't want to disappoint you. There is a catch. Here's the catch. Understand that this training course will be converted into a paying course. The only catch is I'm asking you for your advice and help and comments. Tell me what the course did well. Tell me where it missed. Have questions? You'll be able to access me and get answers. That's the only catch. Sound fair? Well, go ahead and check the links in the description down below and get registered and get going. In fact, you could be on your first video in less time than it takes you to grab another cup of coffee. And for the few of you hanging around at the end of this video, there's something I don't cover in this course. This free tools that you can use right now to increase your car count. And then the second video covers marketing strategies for 2019 and beyond. They're the same strategies I use with my underground group of car count hackers. I'm Matthew. Thank you so much for taking time and can't wait to see you on the first training course. Take care and talk soon.